Alright, welcome to the Adrianster channel. Today I'm gonna unbox this Mini GT Porsche 911 GT3 RS Tribute to Carrera RS package. So this is the green one. So I've got all the other GT3 RS that are right here that have been released. So we've had a black, we've had white with the red accent package, so the presentation model, and the Waysack pack. And right now we have green, so a new color. So finally we're getting rid of those red wheels. So I don't mind because the wheels look absolutely good in red. And in green they look a little weird. So let's see how they look. So I've seen some renders. So on the Mini GT website, if you look at the pre-orders and the renders from this Porsche, you will see that the rims are metallic green. But I have seen this car as a Miho exclusive, so in the blister, and no, it is not metallic, and it is solid paint, just like the picture. So let's see how it is. So this one is a left-hand drive model. There you go. Wow, there it is. Yeah, it's very, very light green. Yeah, I don't like this. The green does not match the green banner. Yeah, it's not good. Unfortunately, yeah. And those green little accents on the sides, not my favorite. You got Porsche written green right there, which is nice. The casting itself is great. So if you've missed out on any of these free GT3 RS that are way too expensive now, you can get this one, but the green wheels do not match the green. I mean, look at the difference of green. These are not the same green, but hey. So here the banner comes on the front part of the bumper, whilst on this one, for example, it did not, as you can see. So yeah, I just don't like the way it looks. These wheels do not match the banner at all. It's not the same green everywhere. Unfortunately, yeah, that's it. But on the side of defects, I don't see any. Very solid casting, very solid casting. So for around 12-13 US dollars, this is perfect. This is a very good casting. Unfortunately, that rear tail light is like one piece all around, but it looks good. It looks like a real tail light, which is nice. It just, I don't know, it looks very light green. Look at that. So these are the standard rims, as you can see. Honestly, I would paint them black because the green does not match. It's a shame, really. Yeah, it's a shame. Anyways, great casting. The color on the wheels are very unfortunate, but the wheel itself is very nice. It's a matte green, which is unfortunate, but the wheel itself very solid. So that's the 4 GT3 RSs. There you go. So let me know what you think about this. I'd still rank this one as the best one, the Waysack pack. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's how good it is, I guess. So there's a blue one coming out soon, Waysack pack. So I'll be there to review that as well. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.